There are three types of subwoofer enclosures. Sealed subwoofers create clear, controlled bass, but often don't play as low or loud without a lot of amplification. Ported subwoofers play loud and low, but the ported high volumes creates turbulence that can cause unwanted noise. Definitive Technology subwoofers feature passive bass radiators. Bass radiators create more bass radiating surface area, which means more bass and no port noise. Definitive Technology's latest bass radiator innovation is called 3XR architecture. 3XR stands for 3 times the radiating surface area. It's 3 times because 3XR's 2 passive bass radiators are each the same size as the woofer. This creates significantly more bass. With 3XR architecture, an 8-inch subwoofer performs like a 10-inch ported subwoofer, and a 12-inch subwoofer performs like a 15-inch subwoofer. In other words, 3XR architecture delivers tons of loud bass with no port noise distortion for clean, tight, low-end performance no matter what you're listening to. 3XR architecture for loud and clear bass.